Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm kind of dolled up. I'm saying kind of. I literally always get my hair done and I never have makeup on. But today I do have like a date night today later on. So my face is done just so I can save time. But I'm going to go get my hair done today. Today I'm going to go and install a bob. I don't know if you guys watched my last episode of me getting my hair done, but I did say that I'm entering my bob season. It is officially cold. I've been talking about how, let me close this window. I've been talking about how I'm doing my hair for the weather, and then sometimes the weather would just surprise me and be warm. But now it's official. It's cold now, so it's bob season. I love a bob for the winter just because I feel like it's just easy, you know. So today I'm actually going to be installing a very specific type of bob. I don't know if you guys remember when teapot frontals were a thing. They were like hot like after COVID. But today I'm going to install something similar, but it's going to be a side pot, and it's from LUV Hair. And if you are familiar with this channel, you know we stan LUV Hair because of that quality. They have some of the best lace, some of the best texture of hair, and they also have really easy to work with wigs. And this one is no different. You don't have a lot of lace to deal with. You don't have a lot of plucking to do. It is pre-plucked, and you also have just a designated parting space. So I will show you when I unbox the hair how it looked. I do have a, I believe, 10 to 12 inch. I will have the details of the wig in the description box, but it is definitely it's a bob, okay? It's a bob. So that's what we're going to do. And yeah, it's got like a parting space on the side, and I'm going to be giving side parties, okay? And I'm excited about that because I love a cute side part. I feel like side parts give very feminine, and especially because today I've got a date night, I think it's gonna look amazing. So yeah, I will have all the details of that wig in the description box, mainly because I want you guys to see exactly what I got. But if you are also interested in all the beautifulness that LUV Hair has to offer, I will have the link to their site as well, because like I said, LUV Hair specializes in like easy to wear wigs. They are very big on convenience. They are very big on not having you hassle with the installation. So that's why I really like LUV Hair, and I will have all of their details in the description box for you guys. So yeah, anyway, without any further ado, because I have to get going, let me go to my appointment, okay? Let me go look cute. let me go look cute. Okay guys, so let's get started. I basically went ahead and did exactly what I normally do when it came to the actual install. I went glueless and we did a stocking cap method. This time she actually used pantyhose, and I heard that it's so much more seamless and more of a bald cap vibe when you use a stocking instead of the actual, you know, wig cap. The wig cap is much thicker, and as you can see, it's just so much more blended. I just liked it a lot. And then we went ahead and put the wig on my head, and girl, she was eating. Oh my god. I did ask my stylist how it plucked, and she said it plucked really well. It's just that you need to make sure that you don't pluck too much, because like I said and like I showed you guys, it doesn't have a lot of lace, but this is how it looks. You would never know that this is a teapot. You would never know that this is not like a full frontal and that the lace is only where the pot and the hairline is. Really good. I'm very impressed. So we put the hair away from my face and we just worked on perfecting that blend, and we melted down the lace with the elastic band. And then she went ahead and started straightening my hair. I asked for her to give me a bump at the end because I just felt like it would look more classy if the bottom was kind of curled inwards. And I will tell you guys that I am so glad that I have this wig. The shedding of this wig is minimal, especially from someone who's been wearing long hair so much. I've I've been enjoying the bob. I really like that it's less hair to deal with. And for winter, I just think it's so nice. I was wearing jacket upon jacket. I felt really comfortable. I didn't feel like I had a lot going on. I just really, really loved the bob. Like, the bob was eating. As you can see, it framed my face really nicely. The only thing is you aren't going to be able to change the pot. The pot is where it is. But guys, tell me that this does not eat. Like, I'm so happy to have short hair again. Like, after taking such a long break, I am so happy. Look at the quality. Look at that. Look at that shine. Look at that sheen, baby. This hair is stunning. The fact that this is like, there isn't much more lace than this, but you could never tell. I will have this wig in the description box, guys. I'll have the link. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.